Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia T20 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, let's just grab a SIM eject tool which should come provided with the device, and you want to pop out the tray. Just locate it right over here. Once you find it, push the pin in, though not like that. Let's try that again. There we go, like this. And as you can see, the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it, take it out, and on here you'll have space for one SIM card and one SD card. So you want to place them on the card, and from there pop it back into the device. And they should start working right away. As you can see, it already pops up with the enter SIM pin. So the SIM card is working, and SD card should be working as well. There we go, SD card is working as well. And that is how you insert SIM and SD into this phone, or tablet in this case. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.